Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the Edge 830 is charged and not actively recording. This prevents accidental data loss. Then tap Settings, choose System, and Open Display. This is where brightness, timeout, and screen configuration live. Once done, you'll see options for backlight, orientation, and data screens. Make sure to pause any ride, because some display changes require the device to be idle. This first step puts you directly into the tools you'll use to change what you see while riding. Now customize the data screens for your chosen activity profile. This controls the live metrics. Tap the profile, select data screens, and pick a layout, single to 4 fields or a map-centered screen. Once you pick a layout, add fields like speed, power, cadence, or a custom lap timer. Make sure to arrange fields by importance. Primary metrics belong on the largest field. If needed, create multiple screens and order them so you can swipe between map, stats, and compass while riding. Finally, set brightness and timeout to balance visibility and battery life. Enable auto brightness if you often ride in changing light. Once configured, save and exit settings, then test on the bike by simulating a ride to confirm layouts and legibility. If the touchscreen gets accidental taps, enable lock screen during activities. If something goes wrong, like frozen screens or missing fields, restart the Edge 830. If symptoms persist, reset display settings from System to restore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.